Discussion Presentation 2. Hello everybody, my name is Gokar. This is our second discussion presentation for the course, and in this presentation I'll be talking about the Python certifications and how Python is being used in emerging technologies. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today, and it's growing even more because of its flexibility and ease of use. It's not only great for beginners, but also powerful enough for the advanced work in the fields like data science, AI, and automation. That's why it's important to understand how certifications can support our learning and how Python is shaping the future of technology. Why Python? Python has a reputation for being beginner friendly, but also incredibly useful at advanced levels. The syntax is clean and easy to read, like written in English. That's one reason why it's taught in many schools and boot camps. But beyond that, Python is super flexible and it's used in web development, automation and scripting, data analysis, machine learning and artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, game development, even robotics and space research. Companies like Google, NASA, Netflix, Facebook, and Dropbox all use Python. It's not just about learning to code, it's about learning a tool that helps solve real world problems. Python certifications, what are they and why do they matter? Let's talk about certifications. These are official documents that show you have reached a certain skill level in Python. While not required for everyone, but they can be very helpful, especially if you're new to the tech file, if you're self-taught and want something official to prove your skills, or if you're looking to stand out in the job applications. Here are 4K certifications to know about. As you remember, we discussed that our first presentation. First one, PCEP, Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer. This is the most basic level, perfect for beginners. It covers foundational topics like variables, data types, loops, functions, and basic conditions. The exam is online and multiple choice, so when you pass, it shows you understand the basic of how Python works. The second one is going to be PCAP, which is called Certified Associate in Python Programming. This one is this one goes deeper. It tests your ability to write actual programs using functions, files, exceptions, object-oriented programming, and models. If you want to move beyond the basics and show you can work with the real world code, this is the solid choice for you. Another one is Microsoft MTA, Introduction to Programming Using Python. This certification is part of Microsoft Technology Associate program. It focuses more on how Python is applied in business or software environments, like building simple applications or handling data. It's good for students or beginners looking for general purpose certification. So the another one is the Google's Python class. This course is completely free. It includes lessons, exercises, and videos taught by Google engineers. While it doesn't give you a formal certificate, but it's highly respected and offers great hands-on practice with real examples. So, are certifications worth it? For my opinion, yes, especially if you are early on. So they help show your dedication, give structure to your learning, and can even boost your chances when applying to internships, jobs, or freelance work. How Python is used in cutting-edge technologies. Now let's move on to the exciting part, how Python is used in modern, high-tech fields. It's not just a beginner language, it's actually being used to push the limits of technology in many different areas, artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is probably the biggest area where Python leads the way. Python has powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, pandas, and NumPy. These tools let developers train machines to recognize the patterns, understand language, predict outcomes, and even make decisions. Think of self-driving cars, facial recognition, and recommendation systems. Most of these have Python in their foundation. Let's talk about blockchain and cryptocurrency. Python is a popular language for developing secure blockchain platforms and crypto applications. It is used to build digital wallets, smart contracts, and even entire blockchain networks. And its simplicity allows for fast prototyping and testing, which is important in this fast-paced industry. Internet of Things (IoT). Python runs on tiny devices like Raspberry Pi, which are often used in smart homes, agriculture, health monitoring, and even traffic systems. Using Python, developers can control cameras, sensors, motors, and other electronics, basically turning regular objects into smart devices. Quantum computing. Believe it or not, Python is already being used in quantum research. IBM's Qiskit framework allows you to write programs for quantum computers using Python. It helping scientists run simulations and test their theories that could lead to major breakthroughs. Another one is augmented and virtual reality, which is called AR and VR. While Python isn't the main language in gaming engines, it still plays an important role in AR and VR development. Tools like OpenCV and Pygame help process camera input, detect faces or gestures, and interact with 3D environments. It's also used for backend processing and prototyping. To conclude this presentation, it's clear that Python is more than just a programming language. It's a foundational tool in today's fast evolving digital world. Its clean syntax, broad range of applications, and strong community support make it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. Certifications such as PCEP and PCAP serve not only as a proof of knowledge, but also as stepping stones toward greater technical confidence and career development. They provide structure for learning and add credibility in a competitive job market. Python's role in shaping advanced technologies from artificial intelligence to quantum computing demonstrates its long-term value. As industries continue to adopt automation and intelligent systems, Python will remain a central language for innovation. For anyone interested in building in the future in the technology, Python offers a solid starting point with endless possibilities. I would like to thank you for listening to my presentation. I look forward to engaging with your thoughts and continue the conversation about Python and its impact.